Charts ruins. The ruins of Charts is the relic personality of Ireland which introduced the Spaniards. Delphi, the walls and convent are in the remnants after the devastating volcanic eruption on 9 May 13, 1878. City wiped out the illustrious town Catarman established earlier Spanish settlement 1679. So location mo doon Catarman Camigin. So musulod mi diri guys. Tanaw na po diri. Napod sila nagkatalan ito guys. Mauna lang nila bilid silang simbahan. Ang pagbuto sa volcano sa May 13 guys, mauna lang nila ang nabilid. So tanawa guys, makita diba? Bato gina siya.